All right, we're going to continue basic dimensioning and notes. We are on 5-18. So we have our drawing up here. Move this out of my way, down towards the bottom. All right, so we're going to select the center line layer. Let me go back to home. So we're in object lines right now. I'm going to go to the center line layer. So in the dimension toolbar, we'll go up here to dimension, or if we go to our toolbar, and you'll see a circle with a plus in the center. That is the center mark. So I'm going to click on the larger circle here, the smaller. I guess I got to click on it again. Center mark, center circle. All right, over on 5-19, we're going to go to the dimension layer. We're going to go down to the dimension toolbar, and we're going to click on linear. It's all the way on the left-hand side. So we're going to, let me move this around and zoom in a little bit. I like to zoom in and zoom out and pan stuff around just so it's easier to see. I'm going to select the bottom corner right here. I'm going to select this other bottom corner, and going to position that one right there. So we're going to repeat the linear dimension to get all the dimensions on our drawing here. I'm going to go to linear dimension, and I'm going to click right here, click down here, click right there. You know what? I'm going to turn off the construction layer just so it's a little less busy, so I don't need it right now. Okay, that looks better. Linear dimension from this center point to here. Set that down right there. Repeat linear. I'm going to go from here down to here. Repeat linear. There, down to there. And I try to line them up from one side to the other so everything looks nice and neat and in line and symmetrical. Repeat linear. Let's do this outside over here. Repeat linear. And right about there. And repeat linear. Going from this center point to this line here. And let's go right about. Yeah, that'll work right there. I think that is all the linear. All right, now let's go ahead and go to the angular. which is the two little lines like this with a little arrow. If you hover over it, it says angular. It's the next to the diameter. So I'm going to click on the angular, and I'm going to put in from here to there. Oh, well, that one's off. That should be 30, not 31. Yep. Okay, so next, let's do the radius. So I'm going to go down to here. So here we have radius. It says select arc or circle. I'm going to click on this right here, set that one there. Repeat radius. Actually, no, I want to go diameter. So right here, diameter, it's a little circle with the line and then the two arrows all the way through it. If you hover over it, it says diameter. Click on that one. I'm going to select this circle right here and repeat. And I'm going to select this one right here. I'm going to set that down there. I need one more radius here. So I'm going to go back to radius. Click on this arc here. Set that down there. And I believe that's, well, all right, we'll go on the next page. Yeah, that's all the radius, the radii that it has us put in there. So I'm gonna, let's go over to 5-22. So we're going to put in some text. So we're going to click on the A for multi-line text. Click on a little down arrow, multi-line text, single line. I'm going to click on multi-line text. And I'm going to draw a box down here. And I'm going to type in, remember, everything is capital when we're working with drafting. Rounds. And then the and symbol. So shift 7. Rounds and fillets. R for radius. Point. Let's put a space 0.25. Enter. No, we don't need to put enter. Okay. That's looking pretty good, isn't it? All right, let's go ahead and go over to 5-23. So adding special characters. All right, so that is it for the basic dimensioning and notes. I'm going to save this and we're going to move on to something else.